Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in HPM Tint and Auto Solutions. You can search them in ways. HPM Tint Auto Solution. Now why am I here today? Because I'm gonna have my car tinted. Me naman, I trust the brand VKool. They also have another branch in Parañaque. So what are the major brands that you have in this store?
We carry VKool and Eurotech. If you really want it premium, you go for VKool. If you're budget friendly but you want good performance, you go for Eurotech.
We're now here for the first step, which is to remove the existing tint. But when you do that, you will need to spray some water or some liquid. So HPM puts on this cloth on the door panel, the steering wheel, and also on the seats. So those are really important because when you just do it somewhere there in Banawe, This is a special precautionary measure of HPM. As you know, we have defogging lines here in the rear window. The tint is actually applied over it, which means when you remove it, it might damage the lines. Now the tint is removed. VKool tint has like these 4 categories. This is the entry, and then as you go this way, it gets more premium. I will go for this one, the X series. And look at the nice LED light going on here. Let's check out the finished product. Yay. That's me, and that's the light. Now, this is not your ordinary tint. This is the X series, which is like second to the most expensive, because I like this over the most expensive one. Because the exterior, the glossiness is different in different kind of tint. So this one is what I like. Dark from outside and clear from inside. So that's a fantastic job. Just make sure not to use your window for a week, and also before you wipe off the shampoo and the residue, you have to wait for a month.
Hi, I'm Pam Alvarez of HPM Tint and Auto Solutions, located here in Quezon, Quezon City. We are open from Monday to Sundays, 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. We accept walk-in, but better if you can book us a schedule through our Facebook page. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching. Please check them out, HPM Tint and Auto Solution here in Quezon. Annyeong, bye!